This BMW E36, abandoned for years, rust taking over everything. Dents, scratches. But beneath it, the original color survives.
It's damaged, but not beyond saving. Let's restore it. First, we wash away years of dirt. The true surface starts to appear. Cleaner now, but still needs work. Now we remove the corrosion.
Now we remove the corrosion. Layer by layer. Ooh, it's coming back. Surface ready for repair. This dent needs precision. Carefully reshaped, step by step. Now it looks like new. Now it looks like new.
Preparing every surface.
No imperfection left behind.
Ready for the next stage.